The experts behind Garden Safe brand know home gardening is as much about how you grow as what you grow. That's why we offer specialized formulas for organic gardening like Garden Safe brand Diatomaceous Earth Crawling Insect Killer. Diatomaceous earth is made up of fine powdery granules that are mined from sediment fossils of single-celled algae called diatoms found at the bottom of ancient oceans, lakes, and rivers. These shells are made of a natural material called silica, or silicon dioxide. When dusted on insects, the fine powdery granules coat the exoskeleton and absorb oils and fats, causing the insect to dry out and die. The sharp edges of the diatoms also cut into the insect's exoskeleton, causing it to dehydrate further. Use outdoors on plants and on the soil around plants to kill crawling insects such as German cockroaches, ants, beetles, fleas, and mealybugs by contact. Apply a thin layer with a hand duster or squeeze bottle, contacting insects directly if possible. Be sure to use adequate ventilation and avoid breathing the dust. With Garden Safe brand Diatomaceous Earth Crawling Insect Killer, you can keep pest control simple and let nature do the rest. Let goodness grow.